this video, I'm going to introduce you to the basic operation with fraction, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Fractions are one of the most important topics in mathematics, and understanding them will help us solving real-life problems such as cooking, measuring, sharing, and many more. Okay, so before we begin, please prepare your notebook, pencil, and pay full of attention. Okay, we all know a fraction has two parts, right? Where the number on the top, we call it numerator, and the number of the bottom is denominator. The numerator, it tells us how many parts we have, and denominator, it tells how many equal parts the whole is divided into. For example, we have 3 over 4, so 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Okay, first, addition of fractions. So when we adding fractions, the most important thing is the denominator. So if denominators are the same, we keep the denominator and we add the numerators. Example, 2 over 8 plus 3 over 8 equals 5 over 8. So we keep 8 as the denominator because both fractions are divided into the same number of parts. And next, what if denominators are different? We need to find the LCD or least common denominator, where is the smallest number that both denominators can divide into. So example, we have 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8. Okay, so how do we find the LCD? There are two ways, where the first one is list the multiples of both numbers and choose the first common one. And 2, use prime factors or multiplication if necessary. Okay, we use this example. Okay, so the first step, okay, we need to list multiples of 4 and 6. Okay, so multiples of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. And for 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24. So, the first common multiply is 12. So the LCD is 12. Okay, for the next step, we need to convert each fraction. So 1 over 4, we're going to multiply these fractions with 3 because 4 times 3 is 12. So 1 times 3 is 3 and 4 times 3 is 12. So we got 3 over 12. And for 1 over 6, we're going to multiply these fractions with 2 because 6 times 2 is 12, right? Okay, so 1 times with 2 is 2 and 6 times with 2 is 12. So we got 2 over 12. Okay, for the last step, all you need to do is add the two fractions. So 3 over 12 plus 2 over 12 is 5 over 12. Okay, next we're going to learn about subtraction of fractions. So subtraction use the same rule as addition. If they have same denominator, like this example, 7 over 10 minus 4 over 10 equals 3 over 10. But what if they have a different denominator? All we need to do is find the LCD first, or least common denominator. Okay, we're going to use this example. 3 over 5 minus 1 over 4. So the first step, we need to list multiples of 4 and 5. So multiples of 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, and many more. And for multiples of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and many more. Okay, so the first common multiply is 20. So the LCD is 20. Okay, for the next step, we're going to do convert each fraction. So 3 over 5, we're going to multiply this fraction with 4 because 5 times 4 is 20. So 3 times 4 is 12 over 5 times 4 is 20. So we get 12 over 20. And for 1 over 4, we're going to multiply this fraction with 5 because 4 times 5 is 20. So 1 times 5 is 5 and 4 times 5 is 20. So we got 5 over 20. Okay, for the last step, we just need to subtract the two fractions. So 12 over 20 minus 5 over 20 is 7 over 20. Okay, now we're going to talk about multiplication of fractions. So all we need to do is just multiply straight across. So it's just like the top number times top number and the bottom top the bottom number times with the bottom number. Like this example, 3 over 4 times with 2 over 3. So the top number we multiply. So 3 times 2 is 6 over 4 times 3, which is 12. So we got the answer. Okay, the last one is division of fractions. So to divide fractions, multiply by the reciprocal or flip the second fraction. Like this example, we have 2 over 3 divided by 5 over 6. If we flip the second fraction, it will become 2 over 3 times 6 over 5 equals 2 times 6 is 12 over 3 times 5 is 15. Or we can simplify to 4 over 5. Just like that. Okay, so we've learned addition is the same denominator, just add numerators. If different, find LCD or least common denominator. And for the subtractions, same rule as addition and multiplication, just multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. And for division, multiply by the reciprocal or flip the second fractions. Okay, so benefits of learning fractions. So fractions are useful in cooking and measuring ingredients, dividing something fairly, working with time, distance, and money, and many real careers like engineering, accounting, and science. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope this lesson helps you understanding fraction operation more clearly. Keep practicing and don't give up. because math becomes easier when we try again and again. So, have a good day and